Now, if you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, hit the record button and I don't know, see what happens. That's what I did. You know how this time of year can just get you reflecting? And this time of year always takes me back to when I started this channel. It was during Vlogmas, and it was a few years ago. And let me just tell you, I had no idea what I was doing. I had no plan, no goals, just some curiosity and a little courage to hit that record button. And well, here I am, still figuring it out, one video at a time. Now, I started this as a fun little project. I was newly retired. John was still working, and I just needed something to just keep myself busy. And I'd been watching Lori from Lori F&M Lifestyle, and I thought, well, why not? So here's the truth. I'm still learning, and I'm still making mistakes all the time. And I'm still just finding my way. And honestly, that's the best part. It's really not about being perfect. It's about trying something new and just seeing where it takes you. That's sort of my approach to this whole YouTube thing. So when we get to a certain age, it's just really easy to feel like it's time. It's like our time to try new things has passed, but it's just not true. So starting this channel has been such a fun way for me to sort of stretch myself, meet some new people, and just create something just for me. And if you've ever thought about trying something new, well, whether it's maybe a YouTube channel or, I don't know, picking up a new hobby or taking a class, I'm here to say go for it. You do not need to have it all figured out. You just need to take that first step. Now, when I started, I really didn't know anything about editing or lighting or algorithms. I didn't even really know what I wanted to even talk about. I just decided to show up and I just shared what was on my mind. Life is an empty nester. Little routines that I just that kind of keep me grounded and keep me going, and just the everyday moments that make life, sweet. And well, it turns out people connected with that. And it turns out there is a group of us, big, even if we're a small group, looking for connection and just real relatable stories. Now, I know some of you are thinking, well, Vicki Marie, that's great for you, but I don't have anything worth sharing. Oh, but you do. Your life experiences, your perspective. You know what? Those things are all really valuable. And whether you're, talking about raising your kids or getting your retirement, or maybe starting a new hobby or just enjoying the little things in life, I guarantee you someone out there is going to relate to you. And it's really not about having a huge audience or being perfect, obviously. It's being yourself, finding joy in the process. And that's my journey. And I think a lot of us are really just afraid to try something new. Well, maybe we just don't want to fail. I know that's how I feel sometimes. But the truth is, failure isn't the end of the world. Honestly, half the fun is in the learning process. And I still mess up all the time, and I do it right in front of you. Just last week, I was filming a clip, and I didn't even have my microphone on. I just shrugged and moved on. I mean, you just have to do that. You don't have to get it right all the time. You just have to keep showing up. That's my commitment during Vlogmas. I'm just showing up every day. And it doesn't have to be a YouTube channel. Maybe for you, maybe you're finally going to start that painting class. Or, maybe you want to learn to bake some bread. Or just committing to doing maybe a walk outside every day. It is never too late to try something new. Life, well, it doesn't stop being exciting just because we hit a certain age. If anything, well, we've got a little more freedom now. That's how I feel. A little more freedom to explore the things that make us happy. So, let this be your little nudge to try something new, something that's been on your mind, maybe on your bucket list. Start small. Just keep it simple and don't worry about being perfect. Now, if you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, hit the record button and I don't know, see what happens. That's what I did. Or, you know what, if there's something else calling at you, well, take that first step. You just never know where it might lead you. And I will be here all through Vlogmas as many days as possible, just sharing little antics, some day in the life, some just talky talk videos like this one. I hope that I have something that supports you and encourages you to get out there in the world and do something you love to do today. I want to thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me today. This is my little corner of the internet, and it has really been a gift to me. And I do hope that it inspires you to create something just for you. So let me know in the comments, just something new that you're going to try, or maybe something you're thinking about trying and you haven't gotten the courage yet. Just letting me know, just putting it out there in the world is one small step you can take today. And I will be here cheering you on. So until next time, here's to trying something new. I'll see you on the next video. Happy Vlogmas.